What's going on, guys? I'm not gonna have much time because I gotta go do something. That's why I'm all dressed. But we're gonna be doing part two to the wolf. Wait, I can't adjust it. So let's get right into it. So if your drawing looks like this, then you can keep going. So you're gonna grab your pencil wherever it might be. Mine's on the floor. So then what you're gonna do is you're gonna do its chest. Well, starting with the chest. So you're gonna start coming down like this on his chest area. But then you're gonna stop. At about right there, you're gonna stop. This is when your first front leg is gonna come in. So you're gonna start right about there. Now, don't make his leg too big, but don't make it too small because they have a really strong front leg. Perfect size is about. So you want to do that. I'll give you a few seconds to process that. It's leg. Okay. And then what you're gonna do is you're just gonna come down to the paw. Just gonna do two little lines for the toes. And then for the back of it, for the back of his leg, just gonna do a basic little line, you know. It's not that crazy. And there's your first front leg done. But we're making them 3D, so we need his other two legs. So his other front leg, we're gonna just start right there. We're just gonna put a little line right underneath his chest. And it's gonna come down, and you're gonna do this little thingy. It's kind of his ankle. Yeah, and then you're gonna come from the back again. Do that same thing on the back side. And then you're just gonna come around, just make it one big paw, and do this tame toe thing. You don't have to, but that's just detail. So now we've got both of his front legs. Now we need to do his leg, other back leg. Their back legs are insanely strong. So this is gonna be fun to draw. So I'm gonna come to about right here on your paper. I'm just gonna put a little dot. You find that dot right there, everyone? Put that dot on your paper. And then I'm gonna go up and just gonna do that. Yeah. And then you do that same straight line. Like that. And then I'll continue with the back of the leg. Do that same heel. This time first on the back side. You're not going to do it on the front side this time. Because then it's going to come around into the paw. Now he's starting to look really epic, guys. So, yeah. So you're going to put his two paws. Like we always do. Then we're going to start on his chest. You're going to put those two lines right there. I'm going to start on his belly, really. Jeez. Okay, guys. So we kind of failed. I kind of failed on mine. So I'm just gonna like sit here and fix it for a second. It's not gonna take long. Trust me. Okay. Got everything fixed now. So, what you're gonna do for the final, thing. Just gonna make that bushy tail. Make that bushy tail. Add that bushy tail, wolves. So do foxes. Just gonna make that bushy tail. That's basically it. Tune in next episode for the colored to color it with me live. It's not gonna be live stream, just you can watch it live. So hope you enjoyed the video and stay tuned for the colored version. Subscribe and peace.